Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2012 Ford Fiesta Zetec. This car comes with a 1.4 petrol engine and the automatic gearbox, returning up to 43 miles per gallon. An insurance group of 10, so ideal for new drivers, and this car has an incredible low mileage of just over 17,000 miles. This particular colour is called the Metallic Vision Blue and looks in really good condition for age mileage of the car. As we look inside, first of all, you've got the nice hard wearing fabric on the seats there, which look in really good condition. In the centre there, you've got a couple of cup holders, as well as a USB port and the 12-volt socket. Onto the dashboard, you have your CD player with your air conditioning below, and this car also has Ford's quick clear windscreen, so ideal for a frosty morning. And then onto the driver's door card, you've then got your mirror controls and your front window switches. Being the 5-door version, nice and practical, so you can access there into the back. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and there's also another cup holder there in the centre for the rear passengers, as well as pockets in the back of the front seats. One thing I do like to see on a used car is the previous owner has fitted mud flaps, so obviously the car's been well looked after. On the rear there as well. As we open the tailgate, on the Fiesta, you get the nice deep square boot there with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. And then underneath the boot floor, you also have some extra storage as well as your tyre inflator kit. Externally, the car comes with front fog lights, the 15-inch alloy wheels, and also rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we offer finance for just 10.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.